Hey guys, and welcome to the Atmosphere Resort. I'm going to show you around our room and it is fabulous. So let's start with outside, shall we? Come on inside. This is like the main area and it has a nice little coffee station, but it's a little bit messy this time, so just bear with us. And it has wine and a water and a nice mini bar with lots of beer in it. So then moving on to like the seating area kind of place where we have an expert TV and some seats. The bed, which is super comfy to just like lie on. And then we have the seating area. This is the seating area and I have been sitting here editing the most recent vlog for you guys. Almost uploaded, so if you haven't checked that out yet, be sure to do that. We went canyoning, Kawasan Falls, so yeah, be sure to check that out. Also some footage with some whale sharks. But anyway, getting back to the room tour, let's go see the bathroom, which is actually my favourite place because has in her sink, which is fabulous, and a beautiful mirror so you can check out your OOTD. There's me waving to the camera. And guys, this is the first time I've ever seen an outdoor shower, so I think it's really cool. Come on in. And it's all like really nice stones, and we give you shampoo and lotion and body wash, which I think is a really nice touch. So it's beautiful. And yeah, we have some nice plants over there, but we're currently doing some washing, so just take a look at that. So guys, that concludes the room tour, and we will be taking you around the rest of the resort for the next 2 nights, because we have been staying here for 3 nights, and we're going to keep you up with everything. Stay tuned for that. See you soon. Bye.